Hey everyone, Ron Hedding here, my office in Encino. I'm with one of my clients, an unbelievable federal case out of Las Vegas. My client is in Vegas. He's with a woman. She runs across the street. She jaywalks. The police are there, the local Las Vegas PD. They end up coming up to his car. Of course, they blow right through everything that they should be doing legally, and they end up searching his car. They find a bunch of money. They find some other things, and they charge him. He ends up getting charged with a federal crime out there, facing like 7 to 10 years in prison. And I remember one of the first things he said to me when he came in was, "Ron, I'm telling you, these guys doctored the body cam footage," because both officers had body cam on it. So I start looking at it, we start talking about it. I read the police report, I'm like, yeah, this does not look right. I asked for the raw footage, they don't give it to me. And so I ended up filing a motion to suppress in federal court. And I asked the prosecutor, I said, look, is there any information you have about these officers? Maybe they've done something wrong in the past. And he had to turn over that they had doctored body cam footage in the past, and the one main police officer in the case had resigned. And so they were gonna have to use that guy as a witness. I remember how scared he was when he came in, because he was looking at like 7 to 10 years in prison, and the whole thing ended up getting dismissed, and they had to give him back all his money. I mean, I know that that was scary for you.
Very scary, very
but
scary.
We ended up getting a great result.
Absolutely, yeah. So I was totally scared, came to Ron, asked for his help, and I've used him in the past for other times I got in trouble, and I knew he was the right person to go to. Called him up, and then he made me feel a lot better going through the process, and yeah, so I got that call from him saying they're dismissing all the charges, and then a few months later they gave all the money back as well. So yeah, thank you, Ron. That was great.
Yeah, I mean, it was great stuff, because I know those prosecutors did not want to let the case go, but they had to. They had no choice, because at that point, even though none of the prosecutors had done anything wrong, the police had done something wrong. And so it really ended up destroying their whole case, and I just don't think they wanted to be tied to that. It's not easy to beat the federal government, but when you keep digging sometimes and you believe in your client, and I believed him when he said that the body cam footage, I said, don't lie to me. He goes, I'm telling you, this is not exactly what happened. They've cut some things out of this. And I'm just thankful that once we did a little digging, we did some investigation, we asked the right questions, we were able to get the right result.